My name's Christopher Diehl, and I'm a chef instructor at Escoffier. My first job was when I was 15 years old at a Chinese restaurant, and I saw the guys back in the kitchen and just the whole environment and the hustle of service, from the waiters coming back and ordering and things, and I just kind of fell in love with the show of it all, and I knew I wanted to be part of that. I think I come from a place of honesty, of that this business is hard and that you're gonna have to work really hard to achieve the levels that we see people who are successful achieve. But I like to teach honestly, but with confidence and with encouragement. Seeing the lights come on when a student really grasps something that maybe they were afraid of, and then when they see it and you say, you're gonna make that, and they get scared because they don't have the confidence of it. They have no idea the science of it or how you could possibly make that at home. And then just to see them when they do accomplish something like that, and then see their confidence build. And then we have classes that get them ready to possibly open their own business. And I think once they master some of those techniques at the beginning and they start to see that what they thought was maybe impossible is possible, it kind of opens up more for them on the other side too, where it's like, well, maybe I can have my own restaurant. Maybe I can do what I really want to do to make money and do what I love. I feel it's our responsibility as chefs to do, but as far as don't think that you have to have somebody hanging over your shoulder to learn how to do something. We're just a click away to help you out, and you will be surprised what you can learn on your own with guidance, and that you don't have to have somebody standing next to you to teach you something.